Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing a Fg1 lip, and it's an Ikon brand. So of course me and Gabe are going to get this done and show you the qualityness of this, unboxing. So of course it's nicely taped up, and that's a good deal. The box is in really good thick quality material, so we're actually going to get some protection. We only had one little snag from the UPS delivery guys, so that's not too bad. Or it might have been FedEx. Anyhow, but these delivery guys do their thing. So I'm going to hand Gabe the Sugzilla so we can get this done.
No disco cats or German dog delivery service?
No, sir.
Always makes me nervous when I open up a box with a knife, so I'm like, I don't want to hit something.
But he's gotten a little pro-ski with it.
Oh yeah, a whole lot of parts that came in.
So it is a really nice thick box, so Ikon did really good with that.
Now, you're probably wondering, didn't this guy just get a bunch of parts? Well, this isn't for me, it's for my wife, her car. So, she's not here, she's at work, so I'll enjoy opening her box for her, as much as she's gonna hate that.
Yeah, but us car guys can't always wait around on wives.
Nope.
As much as we want to be positive about their support, we just get too excited.
Plastic's a little torn, but that's what it is.
Yeah.
I don't have a lot of experience with Ikon Motorsports, but so far from what I'm looking at, it's not bad quality at all.
Right.
Has that little season on it that needs to be washed off.
Right. Of course, everything's got to get cleaned up before doing the actual painting on.
Okay, with the little hardware clips.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, little screws actually.
Okay.
So, nice little set of screws. Has all the lower mounting tabs all pre-drilled out.
Pre-drilled.
Sweet, yeah.
It's actually very, very thick material.
It is.
Even when you get to here, like you can just feel the sturdiness. I mean, look at it back here.
Yeah.
You're definitely,
so sweet.
You're definitely way better. I've had this lip before on my old Civic, and whoever I bought it from, I mean, it was just so flimsy, so rubbery, where this is more quality ABS plastic.
I remember when I actually got a hold of that lip, it would just wobble everywhere.
Right.
So thin, so flimsy. This doesn't do that. This actually holds its place pretty well. The other one actually did, get pretty soft and wiggled a lot.
It really did. But this is thick. Let's see, go ahead and turn it on its side. You see, we have like a mounting point here as well.
Yeah.
Let me get more sun on that. Here we go. So we have a mounting point here as well. So that's cool. If anything, we might have to, if it doesn't touch, which it should, because according to this, it looks like it would.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't, we'll just make some nice metal tabs. It already even has the mounting points here as well. So all we got to do is put the drill right through. And of course, we're going to show you that process. So Ikon put out a really good product here. Like, it's all really nice. Of course, if we wanted to get real anal about it, we'd go and clean this up a little bit.
A little edge.
But I mean, everything's going to need a little bit of
work,
a little bit of modification, just to be real clean.
Other than that, though, the actual face of the lip itself, it's super smooth. There's no real weird indentations. That's just from the mold itself, and that's minor sanding, really.
Right. So what process are we going to go ahead and take on painting this?
Well, being plastic, I'm going to use a adhesive promoter, primer. Probably do about 2 coats of each, and then not exactly sure yet if she wants to leave the center black with the matching color match sides, or just do the entire thing blue, since her car is the original Honda blue.
So yeah, we're gonna do a rattle can color match on the Duplicolor, I believe is the brand.
Yeah, Duplicolor color match.
Right, and then we're of course use a nice quality clear coat on that, and we'll tell you which brand we're going with on that clear coat.
Yeah, the clear coat itself, it's a 2K primer, so it's it's actually the clear itself, and then it has a hardener agent inside, which you have to crack open. I want to say the life of the can is maybe 3-4 days. Once the hardener itself hardens, well, you're kind of SOL, so you better have enough parts to use it on.
Right.
You don't want to use it for just one lip, and then you have 3/4 of a can or whatever still left, and
right.
Well, there goes a $25 can.
Especially since it's like a $25 $30 can.
Yeah, $25 a can.
We need to see about some sponsorship on that.
Yeah.
That S2K Clear.
Yeah,
we'll promote them.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to promote them later because man, that is really, really pricey. But I mean, as far as for the lip, I mean, man, quality is just so nice.
Right.
I'm pretty impressed with Ikon Motorsports parts. Like I said, just minor sanding on the little edges, just to smoothen little things out. Other than that, I mean, that's just about what you get with any other lip. It's just quality of thickness, sturdiness, the fact that all the holes are already pre-drilled out. I mean, that's just makes life easier.
It really does.
I've had lips where you got to go and pre-drill all the holes, really got to sand down on all of the little imperfections.
Right.
Little scratches and things like that. So, I mean, I've already had to deal with all of that. I'm pretty glad I don't have to do that on this one.
So when we're talking about the sanding, it's just basically just making it real nice and clean, like on the edging here. You know, they did a really good job at cutting it out. We just have to, you know, do our job at actually like cleaning it up before paint, just because we're pretty picky with that kind of stuff and the quality of the show. But you know, on the actual quality of the product, we're pretty happy.
Pretty much just make sure you get all the oil that it has on and off.
Right.
Get it real nice and clean. Once it's cleaned up, use the plastic adhesive for motor, primer it up, shoot the paint, which we are going to do a DIY video on, so we will explain as far as flash times in between coats, but that's a whole nother video.
All right, so you know, just keep in touch. If you liked what you saw on the product, if you have any comments, where we got it, how much we paid, you know, just go ahead and send us a message. If you want to watch the actual painting process, the install, you know, hit subscribe, go ahead and continue following us. And we've got more goodies for his wife's car.
Yep.
Of course in the mail, but you'll see what's coming that way. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks, guys.